Today on JD Cars, we're picking up a new vehicle, a little bit unexpectedly, but got a freshie coming in. Not exactly a freshie at all, but I am about 30 minutes away from Copart. It's in North Billerica, so a little bit outside of Boston, but not too far from my house. It's about 35 miles. We're picking up a new vehicle today. It was not exactly the one I had intended on winning, but I won it nonetheless. And yeah, kind of had to buy it. All sales are final. There's no real way out of it other than paying a $1,000 penalty for not paying for it, and then it would get relisted. But I said, what the heck, let's buy it. Maybe we'll like it. Maybe we'll do some work to it. I don't know. Could be a fun build, honestly. Or we'll just flip it really quick. One or the other.
Take exit 5850B for US 3 North Middlesex Turnpike toward Lowell, Burlington.
We're like 5 minutes out from Copart. I'm pretty sure these cars, oh, we just scraped a little. Pretty sure these cars are actually going to the same place that I'm headed. Probably both got bashed up enough to be totaled. This one has windshield and roof damage, and then the other one also has roof damage and front end damage. So I bet those are going to the yard. We're picking our vehicle up from. What did I tell you? They were going to Copart, baby. We made it. All right, we're here. There's tons and tons of those tow trucks flying in and out of here. Signs for Copart. I'm excited to see what this place is like. Alright, so just spent like half an hour, maybe a little more in the office waiting to talk with someone. Got checked in and they should be bringing the truck. That's right, it's a truck. Bringing the truck out. I don't know why I tried to keep this a secret. I'm just realizing you probably already saw the thumbnail, which probably has the vehicle in it. But we'll get our truck any second here and see what happens. So it's super crazy how they're just tossing cars around here. Like, it's insane. I used a bathroom over in the yard and I got a little peek of all the inventory here. I asked if we can go preview some more vehicles after we get this one loaded up. Hopefully we can walk around through there with the camera or maybe just my phone and look at everything that they have. I'm sure I won't have time to look at everything, but get an inside look at the Copart yard would be pretty cool to see. And yeah.
A few moments later.
Oh, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Just like that, we got our truck. This is my first time seeing it, so this is pretty crazy. Oh, shoot. We got a little rust. Looks like we actually had a repair here. Tailgate's a little effed up. That's not really the end of the world, though. Let's check out the frame. Oh, the frame is mint. We got a little bit of rust under there, but nothing too bad. Let's see if we got the, oh yeah, we got the key in here and everything. That was like surprisingly easy. Just checked in with the phone app, got the car brought out. Definitely gonna have to do a little rust mending here and there. Seat is actually good under the cover, so that's hype. TRD off-road edition. Man, let's go. I guess we should see if it starts up here. All right, we're going for the first start up here. Oh no. I should have brought a jump pack. Fuck. All right, so luckily there's like 3 auto parts stores within half a mile of this place, very conveniently. So I'm headed there right now. I'm gonna grab some jumper cables, jump the Tacoma, hopefully it'll start, and we'll get it on the flatbed and head on home. Side note, I would like to mention, everyone I've dealt with at Copart so far has been really nice, especially the guy who brought the truck out on the forks on the front end loader. He was super nice, and he offered to go grab some jumper cables, but I had a feeling that was going to take a little while. Don't really want to bother anyone, so I'm going to go grab some jumper cables. Probably a good idea to have those in the F30 anyways, and we'll try to jump this thing. All right, we got the jumper cables hooked up to the F30, hooked up to the Tacoma. I am praying that this thing starts now. Here we go.
Uh-oh.
Oh. All right. It's running. Look at that. Motors never cease. We got a check engine light and an airbag light. Not really the end of the world. Uh-oh. And it's trying to stall on me when I give it gas. That's not good. Alright, well, it runs and drives. Making some noises, but I think I'm gonna pull her over here and wait for our flatbed. Alright, pulled the Tacoma and the Beamer out to the main road here, and I'm super relieved. This originally said 74 minutes for pickup from AAA, but it cut down to like 6 in a few minutes, so that's hype. We'll load it up and send her home. Making some weird noises, I don't know, we're gonna have our work cut out for us, but kind of excited. Let's go, baby. Alright, so we got the taco back to the crib here, parked in the driveway. Feels good to have it home, despite not having the title or paperwork or really any documentation at all, aside from an invoice showing that it was paid for. But yeah, we got a Tacoma now. It runs, it drives. I've driven it around a little bit. I had the one and only gyro at Asbury Street Car Care take a look at it. He said it doesn't look too bad. Should clean up pretty nicely. I believe I've already found our first problem with it. I'm gonna pull it into the garage now, but that's gonna be in our next Tacoma episode. Don't want to drag this video out too much, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the Copart pickup process. If you're curious about more details of the process and how I did it without a broker's license here in Mass, or any pickup questions, anything you might be curious about, leave it down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on JD Cars.